Well, everybody's heard about the bird.
The bird. The bird is a word. 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 The bird is a word.
Welcome to the dark side.
Today is October the 13th. I just didn't want y'all to panic when y'all see this video. My bitch is right here. Beautiful as ever. So, when I show you the video, I just want y'all to understand. Alright? That's all I'm gonna say.
Hey, that shit crazy. Yeah, I'm straight, man. Gotta go for Twitter, man. Yeah, man, hell yeah, I'm good. Hey. No, fuck that, I'm good. Huh? Nah, dog. It's all good, man. It's hard to stay there. The white chicks over to the park is a racist officer. Gotta get Good. Can you ride? Yeah. Can you ride? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but I'm good, huh? Good?
You don't know the power of the dark side.